We've been in Morrison's. We're in Morrison's car park now. We've got these gorgeous chunky chips and what is that chicken?
Oh, chicken thighs.
Yeah, but it's done in a
Chinese style.
Chinese. Oh, gorgeous. They were hungry. And we got cold and all been in there. In Morrison's. So we're in Morrison's in Stamford.
Eating chicken and chips.
Eating chicken and chips. We've left that site there. Good site that.
Nice village.
The food, we had Sunday lunch in the pub. It wasn't the best, but it was okay.
I think they'd put over much on plate, and then they bought us a big dish of vegetables as well.
There were parsnips, carrots, leek, broccoli and roast potatoes and cauliflower cheese already on the plate with the Yorkshire pudding and chicken. I had chicken, didn't I? And they went and brought another bowl of cauliflower and beans.
Peas.
And peas.
Beans.
Well, for just way too much. This is gorgeous, this. It's better than Kentucky Fried Chicken, this. So what there's a car park at Oakham where you can park motorhomes. Don't know whether we'll get in with it being Bank Holiday Monday.
But that's where we're heading.
That's where we're heading. In Oakham, in Rutland County. And we'll see what happens. So we'll see you later, folks. Bye-bye. Well, look at this. It says coaches only, but on the app it said £5. It's £5.30 for 24 hours, and that's the only choice you get. Got to use the Ringo app to do it. There's nobody using it much, is there? So anyway, I've booked it for 24 hours and we get to go walk into Oakham from it. Apparently it's a quarter of an hour walk into Oakham. I think they're saying the same thing on them. Okay, see you later. Well, here we are. There's the church. Well, we just walked down from car park and we're a bit, well, I am a bit, I think it's deteriorated from old days when we used to come. Walking down the high street, you never see outright with cars anywhere, do you? Yeah. All right. Yes, I always remembered this. And there's a church in there. Another school. This school, Oakham School, we walked by it down from car park. When we go back to van, I'll show you it. It just went on forever. It's a bit like Houndle, with a really old private school. I don't know if it's private. I should imagine it is. So, tell you what, I want to go up that little thing, Pat. I want to go up that cobbled thing there first. I know, you know, since the lockdown, a lot of places have suffered. Even on the high street, there were quite a few empty shops and boarded up buildings. Want the Pat? And we've found this wherever we've gone to a place where we've been to years ago. It's obviously had an effect as the lockdown. Songs you wouldn't expect to hear of that band. So presumably that's this grassy area.
Yeah.
What was there originally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Henry Spain. I thought it said investigation services or a private eye. Oh, that's down to the park. There's the church.
Bandstand. That's where they're playing from.
Do you want to have a look in the church? So doors open.
If you want.
Nice looking organ. Got a ground and all there. What an organ. Wow. Amazing organ. So he plays it from this side. I can't play an organ. It's amazing to watch him play. Ever so slippy, that seat. Ever so slippy, his bum when he's playing it. When he's playing them pedals down there, his bum's sliding about on it. I've seen him playing them. It's fascinating. Talk about coordination to play an organ. Seeing how far it goes back. 1561. Wow. Good grief, I stand corrected. It goes back to 1227. All the vicars. Wow. Wow. That band, I can hear them. They keep playing songs from 60s. Yeah, they sound good, don't they? Called into this lovely little coffee shop for a drink and a piece of cake. I've just got one bit of gluten-free cake left.
No. A wedge, good wedge.
Well, it's the only one they had.
No,
She said they sold all the others. So it seems as though there's more gluten-free people around than you think. All this is a school. I don't know if it's living accommodation, Pat.
Well, I thought I saw
Is it? Swimming pool. It's the right facilities. Is there? Oh, better not for me.
only one.
No, what then? There's someone.
Yeah, it's a swimming pool. I thought it was because I saw,
Pipe.
no, thing that they put over it when it's not being used.
Oh,
You the canvassy thing. I saw it rolled up.
All this here on the other side is all part of it.
I think it is.
Our side, that's all that,
School.
all part of the school is those buildings there. There's these rugby and football pitches on this side here.
Rugby.
Tennis courts.
Is that tennis or is it
Hockey.
football?
Hockey.
Oh,
Could be hockey.
Yeah.
Now then, folks, where are we? We're here. Right. It's called Linden Top at Rutland Water. It's £15 a night, no hookup. We booked for 2 nights. And there's, you maybe just see, just a minute, in between the trees there you can see the lake. It's a reservoir actually, Rutland Water. So there's footpaths all over, you can walk around the lake. There's all sorts. So we're going to have 2 days here, see how we feel. Most people, as you can see, have gone home because it's Monday, bank holiday Monday, but it's 4 o'clock. So there's a few in a huddle up there, but we're down here on us Todd. Yeah, so that's where we are for a couple of days. So I'll show you what's at Rutland Water tomorrow, or maybe even later today, although I'll be bunging this video up now. Okay, see you tomorrow. Or no, I don't know actually. I don't even know if I've got a signal. I might not. You might not get it today. See you later.